Hi, my name is John. Welcome to another cooking video. I've been feeling a little bit sort of sad lately, so I went out on Friday with Deborah. We went down to the seaside, a place called North Shields, where all the fishing boats work from. Had a walk around and I bought some fresh fish. I bought a nice bit of haddock, and I thought, well, I'll cook the haddock for our dinners, our teas. I'm going to have to cook it outside because I'm going to cook this stuff in dripping, like beef tallow, the way it's supposed to be cooked, not vegetable oil, and Deb won't let us use it in the house. So I'm going to show you how to prepare the chips, prepare the pan to cook it in, prepare the fish, we'll get some batter, we'll get it cooked. This bit of haddock looks absolutely beautiful. What more can I say? Let's get stuck into it. Ingredients are dead simple. We've got a lovely bit of haddock there, two nice baking potatoes to make the chips with. We've got the pan with some beef dripping in it, and I've got a gas ring. I've got a little pan on here because I'm going to blanch the potato chips before I fry them. I hope I can get enough heat up. I should be able to with that propane ring. So we'll let that melt down. The fish just wants washing, it's ready to go, and flouring. I'm going to cut it in half, do 2 fillets, and I've got the chips to do. I like crinkle cut chips, and I also leave the skins on the potatoes. I cut them about 13mm thick, 1/2 inch thick, and it's important that you have the spacing, like the pitch of the potato right. I like 1/4 inch. Now this potato cutter showing 6.5, so it's just over 1/4, but I think it'll be enough. And once again, 1/2 inch square. I think the skins give the potato chips extra taste. Right, I've got a pan of boiling water here, they go into there, just to blanch them off, just to start them cooking before we deep fry them in the dripping. This is the haddock. It doesn't smell, it smells like a sea. If it smells of fish, there's something the matter with it. We'll roughly half it. Deb's going to get half. I'll get the thick bit, of course. And that is really nice, beautiful bit of haddock fillet. I've got a bag here with a little bit of corn flour in. This is just to flour the haddock, just to help the batter to stick. Easiest way of doing it. A little bit like parting powder on a casting. Gives the fish a nice coat. Dries the fish out as well. Not that the fish is certainly not slimy, the fish is beautiful. That's ready to go. A little bit more on there. The chips have had 10 minutes, that's enough. That'll soften them up quite nicely. Drain the chips off. So they're nice and dry. You don't want to put any water in with the hot fat, not a good idea at all. I'll be cooking these chips twice. The first time and then the second time finishes them. I'll put one chip in, temperature's good. Watch for this stuff splashing because it is really, really hot. Nice sizzle, that's what you need. Smell all of it through on the hot dripping, it really is nice. It's supposed to be good for you as well. And you can heat dripping up, but it smokes and it's not bad for you. Where some of the vegetable oils are bad for you. Right, so that's a decent help of chips in there. We'll just brown them off. Could be a little bit warmer, 120, 130 is ideal. It will warm up as the chips cook. Possibly lacking a little bit of heat, but... Right, the chips have had their first cooking now. See, they've gone nice and brown and crispy. And hot. We'll let these stand where we'll cook the fish. See, they will go back in again once the fish has been cooked. Need to get some more temperature up in there. A little windbreak may help. I'm just not quite enough heat on this propane ring. I have thought about using the furnace burner, but I think we'll persevere with this. Temperature now is 160. That's definitely hot enough. I've got the batter ready. All that is plain flour, bicarbonated soda and water. A little bit of vinegar. Nice coating batter. It's just come out of the fridge, so it is nice and cool. Any excess off, and then into the pan, going away from you so the splashes don't get you. This is one fillet cut in half. A really nice bit of fish. Cooking really nicely. Right, that fish is cooked now. We'll take it out, let it drain. Back in with the chips. Right, the chips are now done, lovely, golden brown, semi-burnt the way I like them. I definitely need more heat out here if I'm going to do any more deep fat frying. Salt and vinegar is all you need. No curry sauce, none of that stuff. Once again, just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and bon appetit, bonny lad. Let's see what all the fuss is about. Look at that fish. That is absolutely amazing. Yep. Amazing is a word. Nice crispy batter. Just a shame you can't smell the fish really. It's absolutely dear me. Right, so this is the aftermath. Simply not enough heat. I set the bench on fire because I had the furnace torch in there. The fat simply goes into a plastic container, keep it in the fridge and use it again. Time for a little bit of a tidy up. But I think after eating that it could be time for a bit of a nap.